Welcome to our state-of-the-art chair assembly line, where precision meets productivity to bring you the highest quality seating solutions. Let's take a closer look at our meticulous process from start to finish. It all begins with a careful arrangement of each component, ensuring every detail is in place for the final product. From the sturdy frame to the comfortable cushions, every element is crafted with precision and expertise. But our commitment to excellence doesn't stop there. Each chair undergoes rigorous testing to meet international standards of quality and durability. First up, the chair revolves test. We ensure that our chairs can swivel effortlessly, providing you with mobility and convenience in any setting. Next, our chairs undergo the Bactile durability test. We simulate years of use to guarantee that the backrest remains steadfast, providing reliable support day in and day out. Then comes the seat static load test. We assess the strength of our chairs to withstand heavy loads, ensuring stability and safety for every user. Our chairs also undergo the armrest vertical test, ensuring that they can withstand pressure without compromising comfort or function. Once our chairs pass these rigorous tests with flying colors, they are carefully packaged to preserve their pristine condition during transit. From assembly to quality testing to packaging, our commitment to excellence shines through every step of the way.